This is Cooper. He's almost like a man. But wait, now he's a wiener. He looks like the cutest wiener ever. When he's laying like this, he's a wiener. When he's laying on top of his back, he's a man. A man is cool. 'Cause look at him. He looks like a man. Right? Look.
He's so precious.
What's he laying like? I don't know what he's laying like. Tell me.
A winner.
Okay. Goodbye, guys. See you tomorrow.